Hello everyone, there are hundreds of AI tools out there, but I only use 3 every single day. As of June 2026, these are the 3 that earn a permanent spot on my screen: Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini. Let me show you exactly what each one is best at. So why these 3? Because each one wins at something completely different. Claude is my pick for writing, deep thinking, and coding. ChatGPT is the all-rounder I reach for on everyday tasks and voice. And Gemini is unbeatable inside the Google world, and for research, let's break them down one by one. Number 1, Claude by Anthropic. The latest models are Opus 4.8 and the new top tier Fable 5, which is unfortunately not available. They just took it back. For me, this is the pick for deep, careful work. First, its writing actually sounds human. So it's my go-to for drafting. Second, it's excellent at coding. It even powers a developer tool called Claude Code, which is my favorite. And third, it can read huge documents thanks to a 1 million context window. Number 2, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Running on GPT 5.5, this is the everyday all-rounder. It does a little bit of everything: text, images, data, and voice, all in one place. Its voice mode is brilliant, perfect for hands-free use, and it has the biggest ecosystem of them all, with custom GPTs, plugins, and the most third-party apps. And I love the image editing features that it has. It is the best I have ever tried with any AI tool. Number 3, Gemini by Google. Now, running on Gemini 3.5, this one really shines inside the Google world. It lives right inside Gmail, Docs, Drive, and YouTube, exactly where you already work. Its deep research mode builds long source reports on almost any topic, and it's seriously strong on images and video, with Nano Banana for images and Omni for video creation. So here's a quick side by side. Claude is best at writing and code, ChatGPT at everyday tasks, and Gemini at research and Google integration. ChatGPT leads on voice, Claude gives you Claude code, and Gemini plugs into every Google app you use. And the best part, all 3 have genuinely useful free tiers, so you can start today for zero rupees, $0. Now here's the real secret. I don't pick just one. I use Claude for drafting articles, refining my writing, and serious coding. I use ChatGPT for quick questions on the go, voice chats, and brainstorming. And I use Gemini for research reports and anything inside Gmail or Docs, each tool doing what it does best. But what if you only want one to start with? Then choose by what you do most. Pick Claude if you write a lot or you code. Pick ChatGPT if you want a single do-it-all tool, and pick Gemini if you basically live inside Google Apps. My honest advice, try all 3 free tiers for a week and you will quickly feel which one fits your style. So here's the bottom line. Don't pick just one. Use the best tool for each job: Claude to write and code, ChatGPT as your everyday all-rounder, and Gemini for research and Google. Now I want to hear from you. Which AI tool do you use the most? Drop it in the comments, subscribe for more AI videos, and I'll see you in the next one.